Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hey, face yogis, how are you? Happy Thursday. It's already November. Can you believe it? And a holiday season is around the corner. Are you excited? Are you? I am. And how many of you are traveling this year for the holidays? I read an article in United States. This is a time that people travel the most. Even though Thanksgiving, yes, we celebrate Thanksgiving here in the United States, only for a couple days, but people travel a lot. So with that means many people are busy packing, unpacking, and traveling and all the things. And I want to tell you, I'm leaving actually for Japan tomorrow for a very short visit to see my parents, only for a little bit over a week. And I'm super excited, but I'm gonna admit, I'm very behind the schedule. I have to pack. I'm walking here today and doing lots of things, and my brain is all over. So if you're traveling, let me know, because I wanna hear if you're traveling or not, okay? And how many of you have started thinking about holiday gift this year? Okay, gift. Oh, I see the heart came up. So it's a time for people start buying gifts. And another article I read several years ago, it kind of shocked me. It's saying that people actually get so stressed out here in United States starting holidays because they feel like they have to do so much more. Party, having all the gift ready and going places and different kind of food because they travel, and that can accumulate the stress and people feel stressed out. I mean, holidays supposed to be the time that you can have a lot of fun, right? Hi, Salma. Hello, salute. But that also makes us so stressed out. So that's kind of strange, thing when you think about it. But like I said, I'm leaving early tomorrow. I have to leave home 5:45 to go San Francisco airport, and I'm so behind. So my stress level is going dit. Hello, Mina. Hey, how are you? Okay, it's so good to see all the names I know. Hi, Ritsu. Hello from Sydney. And thank you so much for joining me. But anyway, how about self-care? Are you taking care of yourself well enough this time of the year? And holidays can often mean traveling. Like I said, for me, yes, I'm leaving tomorrow. And big business deadlines. For me, yes, I have a big deadline today and I have to finish before this evening. And also gifting. I'm getting a little gift, here and there to prepare to give my friends and family members. But you should also be sure to nourish your life. And I know I'm telling this, but I'm telling myself because, like I said, it's a time of the year. I have to admit, I get a little stressed out. Yes. So you have to take care of yourself physically and mentally and emotionally and spirituality. So it's so important. And we decided to decide November to nourish ourselves, right? November, nourish ourselves, because when we get busy, often we put ourselves in the bottom of to-do list and forget about to eat well, forget about drinking enough water, and forget about to take care of ourselves. And that defeats the purpose of holiday season, right? So hello, Mila. Hello, Caesar. Hello. Okay, and hello, Zolo. Have a safe trip and nice trip. Thank you. Yes, I'm so glad to see my family. We didn't go to Japan this year, so it's a very special last minute plan, and my husband and my daughter are going to stay here, and that means I have to get ready a little bit meals for them. When I'm gone, I want them eat healthy, so that's another things to do, my list, right? Okay, so as a face yoga method team, we decided to do something very special this November. And then I really want you to prioritize yourself first this November, because nourishing ourselves, that's so important, especially as a mother and wife and women and working from home. That means my office is right next to the kitchen, and for me it's so easy to get out of the office, go to the kitchen and start doing something for my family, which I love. But there's no really clear let's say boundary. I can draw a line like, okay, I'm off work. I'm gonna start cooking. And it's often very difficult. So I know that by 5 o'clock, I turn off everything and I just focus on my family. And how about myself, right? That's why nourishing ourselves November, it's so important. So are you on board? Are you gonna do something special for yourself this November? I do hope so. Take even 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even 3 minutes, and without feeling guilty. That's the point. You don't need to feel guilty taking time yourself because you are so worth it. You are the one who really take care of yourself because you need to feel love first. You need to fill up your bucket first to give your love to other people. Okay, so let me know if you are on the boat. I like to see, okay? Oh, good. All right, so Savahat. Okay, so Mina, good. Okay, good. All right, so join me to take care of yourself, right? So for me, like I said, toward the end of the year, I started getting a little distracted because I feel like there's so many things I want to accomplish by the end of this year. And also take time away from my self-care. Like I said, the to-do list just, build up. And January, of course, I had a fresh start, and many of you, right? Many of you had the fresh start. Okay, I want to do this, I want to do that. And then by mid-February, many of us even don't remember what our New Year's resolutions are. And then summertime gets busy, because camping, all the outdoor activities you can enjoy, and if you have a kids, you understand that kids are off school, so that means you have extra thing to take care, right? Which I love taking care of my daughter, but still it's extra time. And then fall starts, and then bam, October, November, December. It's just like, wow, it moves so fast. So for me, self-care is not easy. Work and family and chores and all the things. Like I said, I get stressed out. I got up super early. I was awake around 2:30, and I look at my time. 2:30 is too early. So I fell asleep again. And I got up before 5 o'clock, and I got out of bed, and I made breakfast and lunch for my daughter and prepare things for today's work. And I had to drive today and to meet my face yoga staff, Angie and Irena. And there's a lot of things in my mind, and I feel like, whoa, so much more I need to do. So it's hard for me to focus on myself. And I did yoga, but only 10 minutes, which I wanted to do more. I did not meditate this morning because I didn't have a time. I know I should make time, but I didn't have a time. So here's one simple to squeeze in vital, nourishing moments each day. And like I said, I'm telling myself because I want you to do the same thing. I'm a kind of person who is always, I'm full of energy, and I need to exercise. Otherwise, I do not sleep well. Yesterday, I did yoga for an hour, but I needed to move more. I needed to get outside more, which I did not. You know what happened? I didn't sleep well. I slept okay, but I felt like my sleep wasn't deep enough. And I was shallow. I was thinking lots of things, to-do list in my head. That's why I woke up super early, 2:30, and that was too early. And I didn't like that. And if I exercise my body, if I sweat even a little bit, I sleep so much better. Okay? So you need to practice each day. Whatever, it doesn't matter, whatever you like. Just find one physical activity. One, just one even, do yoga, watching YouTube, do jumping with your kids, or jump rope, or dance, or go running. And I love to listen to music when I'm getting ready, cleaning the house, and often play my music, the music I love. I don't know if you want to know, but I play music, and then I start dancing and then move. And my daughter looks at me very often, and she looks at me and says, "Mama, you look silly." And that's always she says. And I say, "Come on, Nina, let's move, let's jump, and let's exercise together." She doesn't like it. But when I get on trampoline, I love getting on trampoline. My trampoline was my daughter's trampoline, but actually I bought it for myself, saying that it's for her. But when I get on trampoline, she always joins me, and we started having lots of fun. And you'll be surprised how much exercise you can just get out of jumping. It's so great for your lymphatic fluid, moving from your body. And if you're sitting in front of a computer for a long time, if you're driving, it also makes you exercise. I mean, so much more than you think. It's better than jogging because you don't really run, what do you call that? The bouncing or using your knees and joints. Yes, you do knees and the leg a lot, but the bouncer makes it, easier or gentle on your knees. So if you want to get the trampoline, or if you want to get some exercise tool for Christmas, that might be a good idea. Just tell somebody and you might get lucky. Okay, right? So self-care is not selfish, and that's one thing you don't need to worry about. Guilty is another thing I hear often. I feel guilty to take a time for myself. No, take the guilt and don't feel selfish, because if you are not happy, if you are stressed out because you feel like you have to do so much for your family, and guilty, and you have 111 lines on your forehead because you're stressed out, what do they feel? They feel like you are doing not because you love them, but because you're doing out of, the necessity, out of expectation. And that's not pure love. That's not the real true love. So don't feel guilty. Okay, when you start thinking, I feel guilty doing this, no. Just put your guilt away, okay? So to take a little stress off your holiday gifting, I've got something extra special for you. So like I said, trampoline might be a good idea you do, or even jumping, outside, or singing. And when you do exercise, just think about you are the most special person in your life. And if you're not happy, you cannot make other people happy. Okay, so Tiffany says, okay, from New Zealand. Yeah, thank you. You are inspiring and bringing together women from all over the world. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, so Myri says, I don't forget myself, because if mom is happy, everyone in the family is happy. Good. That's right. I love it. Thank you. You're so good. Yeah, I need to remind myself. So Rosie says, Buenos Trader Fumiko. Oh, Spanish. Sorry, I don't speak Spanish, but we are translating lots of things in Spanish. I'm super excited. Yay. Okay. Yeah. So, like I said, we have something special, super extra special for you. And a Black Friday sale with savings like you have never seen. It's the biggest sale ever. I mean, really. Yeah, so take the stress out of holiday shopping and click the link below. And I'll send you a reminder and update about this sale. Like I said, this is the special and the biggest sale ever. And I cannot say too much more, but my team thinks I've gone nuts because of how amazing the discounts are. The biggest ever. Yeah, so do this for yourself and get on my Black Friday early bird list for the VIP treatment. Okay, so now nourish your body and the skin, and go grab yourself some hot water, because that's what I'm going to do right now. Hot water. Don't forget to drink hot water. Okay, that's one thing I really want you to get hooked, and that's something I really want you to think about. When you drink hot water, think about how beautiful you are, and you can even say, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. And there is a study saying that if you keep saying something, if you keep thinking one thought for more than 17 seconds, your body started producing the chemistry. So if you are constantly thinking you're stressed out, or even 17 seconds, 17, your body feels you're stressed out. It produces cortisol, the stress hormone, and you don't want that. Okay, so when you drink hot water, think about how beautiful you are, make some funny faces and play some music and jump around and have fun, lots of laugh, and then put your name on the Black Friday early bird list, because that's the only way you can actually get the special discount. this time. And like I said, this is something you never seen before. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much. And thank you, Johan. And I'll see you very soon. Okay. Bye. Mwah.